I am no longer in a fog because of this product. For the past year, I have been going through so much fatigue, constant bloating, coming on my cycle every 2, 3 weeks. That's not right. That's not right. I'm too young. I'm only 44. Don't forget the hot flashes at night. Night sweats. Can't sleep all the way through the night. My feet always being inflamed. Everything was getting put on the back burner. I did not want to be bothered with anything other than going to work, come home, go to sleep. On my days off, I just want to be in the bed. That's not normal. I thought all of that was because I was going through menopause, but my doctor keeps saying, no, 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 you're too young. But I've been taking these two products, the BalanceHer Kit, BalanceHer, and along with the D3K2. I'm trying to get the picture. There we go. This product has been life altering because for the past almost year, I've been feeling like I've been walking around in the fog. Like I'm just surviving. I'm just doing the bare minimum. Go to work, come home. Baby, house was out of sorts. Didn't want to be bothered with my man. All of that. I don't like taking pills. And I believe in the power of herbs. So I was glad when I came across this particular product. It's not a pill. It's just a teaspoon of pure herbs with some mineral oil. When I say I felt the power of the product from jump, energy level through the roof, I don't feel like I'm walking around in the fog all the time, which I did. Had I known what I knew now, I would have been looked for something like this. I didn't know it existed. Of course, your doctors don't tell you about it. So I'm glad I found the product. I don't have to take pills every day. Hair growing back, skin look glowing. If I showed you a before picture of before I started taking this product, I was going through all of this blotchiness. Like my skin was just dark in some places, and I'm like, I'm not used to that. If you struggle with constant bloated, constant fatigue, if you walking around in a fog, just don't have the enthusiasm to do anything, you think you just surviving and not living, try this product. When I tell you I've been sleeping properly at night, I didn't even know I was coming on my cycle the last go round. That's how good this product has been for me. If you think you are going through this hormonal shift in your life and you are not thriving like you're used to, don't settle for less. Find something better. Find the best. BalanceHer by the DeTox